Welcome to Serma Shorthand Academy.
Welcome to Sarma Shorthand Academy channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1 of the Pitman Shorthand Instructor, that is consonants. What is meant by consonant? Consonant definition. Consonants are the result of audible friction or stopping of the breath in some parts of mouth or throat. There are 6 types of consonants. What are they? 1. Explodents. 2. Continuants. 3. Nasals, liquids, coalescents, aspirate. Today we take up first group of consonants, explodents. What is meant by explodents? Explodents means in pronouncing them, the outgoing breath is forced in a sudden gust through barriers previously closed. That is, from lips it will come. The sounds comes from lips. P, B, T. So there are 8 characters in this group. First one is P. This is light stroke, like this. P, light stroke, this one, P directions. Next, B. Heavy stroke. Next, T. This is light stroke. Light straight stroke, T. Next stroke is D. This is a heavy, thick stroke downward. Next, Che. This is light stroke. Che. Next, J. It's also same as like J. Che. Heavy stroke. Next, K. It's a nice right horizontal stroke. Next, G. It is a thick horizontal stroke. Once again, P is from left to right downward direction. It's a light thin stroke. Sound is light. Its name is P. And then B. It's a heavy stroke. Same as P. From left to right downward stroke. It's thick. It's heavy sound. B. Next, T. Just right downward stroke. Light sound. T. Then next, D. Same as T, but it is thick. Its sound is heavy. D. Next, Che. It's not CH. Che. Its sound is Che. It's light stroke. Then J. J is heavy. Same Che, heavy stroke, dark stroke. It's right to left, downward stroke. Then K. It is a horizontal stroke. Next, K. It's G, but it should be named as Gay. Gay. It's a horizontal stroke from left to right. These 8 characters are called explodents. In regard to practice, size of the stroke is 1/6 of an inch. 1/6 of an inch, its size. P, B, T, D, J, K, G. We have to practice P first. P is a right stroke with an angle of 45 degrees. P, B. TD are straight strokes. J are with an angle of 30 degrees from perpendicular. K, these are horizontal strokes. K is light, G is heavy. So these pairs, P is light, B is heavy. These are downward strokes from left to right. T, D, these are downward strokes, straight strokes. T is light, D is thick. J, these are pairs. J is light, J heavy stroke. This will from right to left, downward strokes. K, G, these are from left to right, straight strokes, horizontal strokes. In the table, the constants are called with names but not as per letter. These names are to be called. The strokes are in straight and 4 pairs: PB, TD, JJ, KK. Size of the stroke we have already said, 1/6 of an inch. Next, directions and angles. PB are in 45 degrees. These are 45 degrees. TD are straight perpendicular strokes. JJ are 30 degrees from perpendicular. KK are straight horizontal strokes. How to practice these strokes? The student has to write the strokes, that is characters, as specified in the table, duly calling their phonetic names. In case CH, Che. In case G, Gay, Gay. Remaining are the same. P is P, B is B, T is T, D, D. CH, Che. J, J, K, K, G, G. So these phonetic names are to be called. The student shall write the strokes individually. That means P. Take first top on the notes. P like this. P. Name. P, E, E. And then practice. P, 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 so on. 2 pages. In the rolled book. And then B, B, E, E. ఇది thick stroke. Same. TD, JJ, KG, like this. The arrow shows the direction. The stroke must be written slowly at first. The student has to write first slowly, and then after having practice, more rapidly and fastly. Further, I advise all the students to write the above characters number of times, duly memorizing their phonetic names. Already said P, B, T, D, J, J, K, G, so on. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss about the second group, that is continuants. Okay.
Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get more notifications. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.